Welcome to the Leading Site News.
Karbi Catholic Youth Community Meghalaya Annual Youth Assembly concludes. The Karbi Catholic Youth Community Meghalaya recently wrapped up its highly anticipated Annual Youth Assembly held from September 12 to 14, 2025. This 3 days event brought together young individuals from across the state to strengthen their faith, foster unity, and celebrate their cultural heritage. The assembly was led by the KCYCM leadership team, comprising Andronicus Klein, President KCYCM, and Riz Timong, Secretary KCYCM. The event featured notable animators including Reverend Father Samson Tiron, ICYM Director Dogmoka Paris, and BECS Assistant Coordinator for Difu Diocese. Mr. Mohasur Rongpi, ICYM Finance Secretary Dogmoka Paris, Mr. Francis Rongpi, renowned Karbi Gospel singer from Difu Diocese. The KCYCM Annual Youth Assembly served as a platform for the youth to come together, share experience, and strengthen their bond as a community. The event highlighted the importance of faith, unity, and cultural preservation among the Karbi Catholic youth in Meghalaya. News Desk report, the Leading Site News.
One song, they land go on the wall. The who the Nazi Capito. Like a royal day, they need the ground, they land go on the wall. Digging some home, rotating around. See your head good, not your alone. Sing someday.
college ka charli bamatum, university ka charli bamatum, alang litum si tame ke thek kere. Apuna cha ke long ji aphan ke ekdum Jisu Christ long si chapachong ni.